Hello guys, it's your boy Frank the Franklin. Guess what? I went back to the gym after a long period of time and I found out that some of my friends that have been fat trying to lose weight, they are still fat. Maybe they've been doing it wrongly. So I met this coach, Dark Fit, a coach of mine. We decided to do a collaboration on bringing you the reasons you're not losing weight. So stay tuned and learn. Thank you.
Hello guys, you're welcome to this segment of Get to Know You with Franklin. My name is Moise Aribidesi, aka Dark Fit. I'm a fitness professional and I want to talk to us about fitness. And the major topic for today is 4 reasons you're not losing weight. So what are the 4 reasons you're not losing weight? I did my own little research, plus my experience in the field. So I've come up with these 4 major reasons you're not losing weight. So we have clients who decide to start their weight loss journey, and on the long run, they notice that they're not getting results, they're not seeing changes in your body, and so which is why I want to talk to us about reasons they're not losing weight, reasons they're not getting that result. So the first reason you're not losing weight is you're not on a calorie deficit. So what do I mean by calorie deficit? Calorie deficit simply means having a higher calorie expenditure in contrast to when you compare it to the calorie intake. You understand? So, for example, if you are eating a food of about 1,005 calories in a day and then you're burning at about 2,000 calories or 2,005 calories, that leaves you with 1,000 calories or 500 calories. So that simply means you're on a calorie deficit. So if you keep up with that rate, you're going to end up losing weight. You're going to end up burning fat. So another reason you're not losing weight is inactivity. So what do I mean by inactivity? If you're sedentary, if you don't work out, if you don't exercise consistently, that means you're inactive. You're not burning enough calories, which may hinder your weight loss journey, your weight loss goal. So if you're not active enough, if you're sedentary. What do I mean by sedentary? For example, sedentary workers are people who sit hours in their office, or people who work from home, use their system. They don't work about. They just sit in front of the system and attend to their clients or customers. Those are sedentary workers. So if you're not active enough, if you don't work out, if you don't exercise consistently, you will not lose weight, you will not burn fat, because that will not help you stay on a calorie deficit. So you need to get active and you need to avoid being sedentary. Another reason you're not losing weight is stress. So when you're stressed, the body produces a hormone called cortisol hormone. Cortisol hormone is released when you're stressed. You understand? So maybe you've been working for hours, maybe you're not getting enough rest. So your body releases cortisol hormone, and then at the end of the day, it has a lot of disadvantages. One of it is weight gain. So it may hinder your weight loss goal, and then you just see that you notice that you're adding weight. So that is it. Another one is your negative psychology. So this has to do with your thinking, your what you think about weight loss. Are you motivated? Are you comparing yourself with others? Are you not being patient enough? Are you not focused on your goal? Do you give up easily? Do you just say, no, I'm not working out today, let me just rest? Do you meet up with your workout days? Do you meet up with your workout sessions? So that's negative psychology. So if you don't have a positive psychology, you're not positive about the process, about the whole process, maybe that you're not. It's one of the things that leads to not getting results. One of the things that makes you not lose weight. So you need to be positive about the whole process. You need to make sure you're working out steady. You need to be focused about your workout. You need to be focused about your diet. You need to be disciplined. You need to be motivated. You can check other people's goal and I say, okay, I want to be like this person. This person is achieve this in 3 months, achieve this in 4 months. Let me do it. I can do it also. So those are the things you need to do. Change your negative psychology. Be positive about the whole process. And that's it. So now we have talked about the 4 reasons you're not losing weight. I want to give us things we need to do, things we can do to make sure that we are losing weight. So one of it is since I said you're not losing weight because you're not on a calorie deficit. Now all you need to do is just make sure you're on a calorie deficit. What do you need to do? How do you make sure you're on a calorie deficit? Make sure you're getting enough nutrients from your meal, carbohydrates, protein, fats. Make sure you're taking more of protein, because the more protein you take, the more muscle you build, the easier and faster it is for you to burn fat. So make sure you're going more natural on your meal. Take more fruits and vegetables. Make sure you don't eat late, because if you eat late, your body will not have time to digest and process the whole thing, and then it ends up turning to fat. Do you understand? Make sure stay away from alcohol. Reduce your alcohol intake. If you can't stay away from alcohol totally, reduce your alcohol intake, because the end product is more like sugar, I guess. And then sugar turns into fat, and then it just affects your goal like that. And then you also make sure you don't eat junks. Avoid processed food. They are calorie dense. Yet, so even though they write on the paper or on the pack that is so calories, they are still calorie dense. They are not healthy for you. Make sure you avoid processed food, junks, and then avoid too much fatty foods. So you can talk to your nutritionist and your trainer. They will explain to you what you need to do concerning your diet. But all you need to know is just that you should be on a calorie deficit diet. Another thing you need to do is exercise consistently. Make sure you visit the gym about 3 to 4 times. You can't use the gym, you can work out from home. We have trainers that do online training. We have trainers that can come to your home and train. Just sign up. When you sign up, that means you're committed. Commitment makes it very easy. You understand? You're paying for a service. You make sure you get it, so that your money is not going into waste. So another thing you need to do is make sure you stay off stress. How do you stay off stress? Try and recreate. Make sure you are recreating. How do you recreate? Perform recreational activities that has to do with burning calories. For example, swimming, dancing, playing football on weekends, and so on and so forth. All these will help you stay on the calorie deficit. They help you burn fat, and then you notice that what you're losing. That's like complementary stuff to your routine. Another thing you need to do is bond well with family. Make sure you're not stressed. Try to always maybe listen to music, perform yoga, and all of that, just to make sure that you're not stressed, and your body is not producing that cortisol hormone, and you're not going into weight gain mode. Another thing you need to do is change your negative psychology to positive psychology. Just be positive about the whole process. Don't be in a hurry. Be patient with yourself. It takes time. Be disciplined. Focus on your diet. You can look up to others. Okay, this person did so weight, not so weight, and so much. Okay, I can do it too. Let me just try, put in my best. Work with your trainer. Don't put the blame on them. Make sure you complete your sessions. Make sure you finish up strong. And that's it. All right, thank you for staying with me on this segment. My name is Moise Aribidesi, aka Darkfit. You can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok. It's DAARKFIT. That's Darkfit. Thank you. Stay safe.
Wow, guys, I really learned a lot. I never knew that most of these things are necessary, and I know you learned a lot. So if you did, make sure to like, subscribe, share to your friends that needs it, and comment down below. And the link to Darkfit's Instagram handle will be in the description below. If you have any question regarding fitness, he will be there to answer you. And if you want to see more fitness talk or fitness topic, make sure to suggest below. We are here for you, we got you. And with that, stay tuned.